Hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you're at. First of all, thank you so much for choosing this video over others. I appreciate it a lot. Quick disclaimer, this is one of the first YouTube videos I've ever made and edited, so I'm not the best, but I'll definitely try my best. But yeah, thanks so much for tuning in, and let's go ahead and move right along here. So the skill level you should kind of be at already if you're not. This is kind of for people that have been in cybersecurity for a little bit and have some scripting knowledge, mostly with Python, in my opinion, is one of the best for cybersecurity. We also have like C and JavaScript, but Python is going to help you the most with these projects, likely. Alright, so moving right into the first project. And starting this out, I actually put VulnHub as the #1 project for cybersecurity. And the reason I said this, I know some people may not call it a project, but I definitely think it is. So if you don't know what VulnHub boxes are, essentially what it is it's a virtual machine image that you can set up, and essentially what it is it's like a server or a web application that is set up like a real world scenario, and they're all different difficulties that you can choose from, and you connect to it with your Kali VM or your local hacking VM, whatever you use, and you can practice your penetration testing skills on it. Something else you can do is the exploit that you need to use, instead of just running it, you can even recode it yourself. You can look at the exploit, you can go through the lines of code, you can copy it line for line if you want. However, you can use like Python, for example, recode the exploit, make it run, that way you further understand how it works, and you'll learn a lot that way, and it's a huge project in itself. So yeah, I went ahead and put that as my #1 spot because you get a little bit of practice in all the fields, and it's great practice for everyone. Alright, and coming at the #2 spot, I went ahead and put in a automated PCAP data extractor as my second project. If you don't know, PCAP files are data files created using a program such as Wireshark, for example. These files contain packet data of a network and are used to analyze the network characteristics. They also contribute to controlling the network traffic and determining network status. So essentially, it's just network data that has been passed through. And essentially what you can do is you could use Python, for example, and create an application that extracts data from these PCAP files. I'll go ahead and show a screenshot right here of a walkthrough that I've used in the past for making one of these applications. I'll also put the link in the description. It's an amazing walkthrough. It helps you extract all the data from the PCAP files. You can code it yourself. You can modify it how you want. It's a great walkthrough. I recommend it for everyone. Then coming at the #3 spot is a more popular one. This is going to be a keylogger. So if you don't already know what a keylogger is by the name of it, basically what a keylogger does is it records the action of the victim's keys, and it reports it to the hacker. So essentially, people typing in passwords on their computers, even though they think they're safe, every single button they press on their keyboard, passwords, usernames, information, everything gets passed on to the hacker. So keyloggers, it's an amazing project. There's also some walkthroughs, as the previous example that I showed, some walkthroughs for making a keylogger in Python. I've also followed these. There's also some GitHub repositories that you could clone, look through the code if you want. But yeah, I think it's a great project. Keylogging is one of the biggest names in cybersecurity, so because of these reasons, I think it's a great project for everyone. It's not too difficult if you follow the walkthroughs. So yeah, those are my top 3 projects. Alright, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy, please drop a like and subscribe. I'm really trying to grow this channel. I know it probably wasn't the best put together, but I'm new, I'm trying. So thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.